Arabian Milling and Food Industries is a large-scale grain processing and food manufacturing enterprise located in Alexandria, Egypt. Due to the presence of large amounts of grain dust and accumulations of combustible materials during the production process, the facility has high requirements for the reliability of its fire protection system. To address the fire risks inherent in grain processing, the Arabian Milling and Food Industries project adopted the complete TNA TX7 series fire alarm system. The TX7130 conventional reflective beam detector is specifically designed for large open spaces and high ceiling environments, continuously monitoring changes in smoke concentration by emitting and receiving infrared beams. Furthermore, the TX7 series has obtained international certifications from authoritative bodies such as LPCB, CE, and TUV, ensuring full compliance with product safety, reliability, and quality standards. Through the comprehensive implementation of the TNA TX7 series system, the Arabian Milling and Food Industries project has achieved early warning and rapid response to fire risks, providing a solid foundation for production safety and operational stability.